Okay, right in front of us is a 52 kilogram yellowfin tuna. What we're going to witness this morning is not just the tuna, but the skill that our expert chef has. A big round of applause for Chef Heng. Woo! That's Chef Heng. Chef will now start removing the head. As you can see, you start from the collar of the fish. By the way, on the head itself, it has two parts, which is the hohoniku and then the kamatoro, which are very umami in flavor and has a lot of dishes that can bring us. For those who are asking later on, after Chef has cut the whole tuna, we're going to sell the akami part, which is the leanest part of the tuna. Regularly, you can buy it for $10.80, but today, you can have it for $8.80 per 100 grams. Now the head is being removed. You can see it now. That's quite huge. Chef has started the incision from the bottom part of the loin so that he can easily remove the bottom loin. So for a tuna, we have 4 loins, 2 top loin and then 2 bottom loin, which are the belly loin as well. Now Chef is cutting the tuna in the middle part to separate the 2 loin, which is the top loin and then the belly loin or the bottom loin. By the way, most of the meat of the tuna can be used for sashimi or sushi. Chef is making sure that only few meat is attached to the bowl, because we don't want to waste the meat of the tuna. You see, that is the bottom loin or the belly loin. Now Chef is start concentrated on taking the back loin, starting from the tail, making his knife almost parallel to the bone. I think later on, I know what will be our dinner for tonight, right? What will be our dinner for tonight? It's either sashimi or what? Sushi? Or some soup or ramen? Because all parts of the tuna can be used, so nothing can be wasted. Even the tail, the bone itself, can be used for a very good ramen and fish stock. Do you know that tuna is considered to be a superfood by nutritionists because of the nutrients, minerals that it has? Like, for example, the omega-3 fatty acids, which is good for our heart, blood pressure, triglycerides, and many more. Later on, I will give you a lot of health benefits that tuna can bring to us. Now, Chef Harold will join Chef Heng to assist him cutting the tuna. Now, one back loin is being removed from the bone. If you can see, there is still some meat on the bone. Now, Chef Heng is scraping the meat on the bone, and what we call on that meat is the nakaochi. Okay, nakaochi refers to the rich and flavorful meat scraped from the bones of a fish, particularly tuna. And what can we do to our nakaochi? We can use that to many dishes, like also sashimi, okay, sushi. We can also put that in our fish cake or our fish stock. Those meat, which are the nakaochi, is very flavorful. Chef Harold is scraping it using a spoon to make sure that no meat is attached to the bone. I think most of us now are craving for tuna. I think we just want some wasabi, right, soy sauce, and lime, right? I'm almost salivating here, just watching over here. Tuna also has a lot of benefits when it comes to our heart health and mental health. Let me just give you some important health benefits that tuna can bring to us, to our heart health. It lowers triglycerides or the bad cholesterol. It reduces the risk of irregular heartbeats. It is slow the development of plaque in the arteries. It lowers the blood pressure. It reduces the likelihood of heart attack and stroke. It may reduce the chance of sudden cardiac death in people with heart disease. It may improve circulation and it helps prevent blood clots. So there are a lot of benefits coming from tuna for our heart. Next is for the brain health. Tuna brings support to the brain development and function. It increases learning, memory, and cognitive well-being. It increases blood flow in the brain. It may protect against cognitive decline. May slow cognitive decline in Alzheimer's diseases and Parkinson's. It may improve focus and mental clarity. It supports the formation of new memories and the retention of existing ones. That's why nutritionists consider tuna as a superfood. By the way, tuna is a good substitute for meat, most especially for those who are working out, those who go to the gym. The lean meat is a good source of protein. After scraping the nakaochi, now chef is starting to get the bottom line, the other bottom line, which is the belly line, together with Chef Harold. Upon watching Chef Heng, do you think you can already butcher a tuna in your home? I think no one will attempt. It's really hard. You see? It takes a lot of experience and skills to cut a whole tuna. If you want to purchase now, you can go to that site and buy some akami, which is the leanest part of the tuna. Now Chef Heng and Chef Harold successfully removed the bone from the meat. So you can see that is the bone. So we still have two loins left on the cutting board. The belly loin and then the top loin. Hi guys, Now you can buy on the showcase here. We already prepared some cuts for you, and the price is already on the package. Chef Heng is removing the rib part of the tuna. Those who wish to buy some meat of the tuna, you can already proceed to that area or to this area. They already prepared some for you to go. While Chef Heng is removing the rib part of the tuna, Chef Harold is scraping the meat on the bone, which is the nakaochi. The nakaochi is also available. If you can see on the loin part, there is a darker color. That is the bloodline of the tuna. That has a more strong flavor. Some want their sashimi on that part because they want the stronger flavor for their sashimi. But also that bloodline can be used for ramen and some fish stock. As you can see, Chef Heng is removing the bloodline of the tuna. Just a sort of trivia, do you know that tuna can swim for around 32 to 50 miles per hour? That is around 70 to 80 kilometers per hour. That's very fast. And they keep on swimming. They need to do that while their mouth is open. We call that the ram ventilation. The ram ventilation allows them to get oxygen and store it to their gills so that they can swim. And they can stay in the water or the deeper water for a long time. Once the fishermen catch the tuna or caught the tuna, they have to kill it right away and remove all the internal organs so that it will remain fresh, and then put a lot of ice on it. Because if not, the tuna will still wiggling its tail like swimming even outside the water, and that will cause them to cook themselves. So we call that yake. The process of cooking, the process of fish cooking itself, making its body temperature higher. Chef Harold now is cutting all the bones. That one is good for ramen, fish stock, or soup, which is good for a very rainy day.
I think
come on guys, chicken tayo now. I think only few minutes are left from here. I can see a lot of buyers requesting their meat to be caught. Come on. Let's have a sumptuous dinner this evening. Let's have tuna sashimi, sushi, or if you want, you can sear or grill it. You can also try tuna steak. For those who want fish noodle soup, you can try the nakaochi. That one is very flavorful. You see, Chef Heng removed the bloodline of the tuna. Those who love ramen, you can purchase the bloodline. That one has stronger flavor. Okay, now the team is preparing or has prepared some meat for you to taste. Okay. By the way, we can just catch tuna in 3 oceans, mainly the Pacific, Atlantic, and then the Indian Ocean. We have 15 varieties or kinds of tunas. What we have here is the yellowfin tuna, which is caught from the Indian Ocean. Now Chef Heng is cutting the tuna into blocks. You see how lean the meat of the tuna is. I think everybody's enjoying the tuna now. Now Chef Heng is preparing for the head. As you can see, there's a very thick meat on the head. On the cheek part, we call that the hohoniku. Right now, Chef Heng is removing the fish collar. That fish collar itself is good for grilling. While Chef Heng is working with the head, Chef Harold is now cutting some meat over there. Now Chef Heng successfully removed the collar of the fish. Once again, for those who wish to buy some meat, you can order on this side. On that side, they will go to prepare it. Do you know that tuna also reduces the risk of cancer? Omega-3 fatty acids in tuna may help reduce inflammation and slow the growth of tumor cells, potentially lowering the risk of certain cancer. If you want to manage your weight, tuna is also good for it. Yellowfin tuna is low in calories and fat, but high in protein, making it a good choice for weight loss diets. So just like what I've said, for those who are working out, for those who are on the stage of losing their weight, if you want your tuna meat to be black, you can just request the team. Or if you want it sliced like for sushi, you can just tell them. Again, for regular day, you can purchase or buy it for $10.80 per 100 grams. Today, you can buy it for only $8.80 per 100 grams. So don't miss the deal. You have to go home with a mix-up tuna.
Okay, so by the way, you see, wow, so many tuna, so many steps. How
Again,
many
for those who
tuna
wish to buy
today? You know what? We can't
you can
run
see
very,
over
very
here
tuna.
what kind of meat,
The tuna
what kind of
was
fat.
3 kg, 3公斤. So you can see all the sashimi, okay, all the slabs, they are all from one tuna. Freshly shipped, okay, from Japan to Singapore early morning today. 今天去早八早 quick, okay, come to Singapore. So if you go to Japan already, okay, you went to Japan to try their sashimi, right? So wow, I can never forget this taste. It's impossible for you to find another fresh tuna like this, right? 今天拿到一包，那一个好不好 ？You never go to Japan, you always wondering what your friends think about it. They always say, oh, it's fresh, very fresh. Okay, you want to try, you don't need to go to Japan today, you just make your way to Rice Yes. Guys, do you want me to taste that? Comment section below. Tell me yes. This one, that is. I tell you what, it's called. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining us.
So this is $2 per 100 grams of this substitute.
Let me see the close up video.
倒一点，小一点。
小一点。
现切现种。
And for those who wish to buy pink tuna, you can place your order over here. So then you can customize the pot and the part of the tuna you want to buy. Let's start here. We brought a block of tuna. This one is good for the meal.
大概在250万这一个人来吃。去福建这个时候要怎样？对，挪威。
Hey buddy, how are you doing? Oh, that's great. So I think we have a soft experience tonight. We turn on. Okay? Thank you again. Thank you. Again, friends, guys, birds are also for sale. Again, birds are also for sale. If you want some fish stock from ramen, you can use the bone of the tuna. The tuna got started at 11 and it's only 11:30. More than half of the tuna has been sold. So what are you waiting for? Pay now and take your order. Mostly that I can see now are bones and skin. Some wanted sliced for their sushi or zucchini. Some wanted for inflammation associated with some chronic diseases. Tuna is also good for infant health and development. This is important during pregnancy and breastfeeding for the baby's brain and eye development. Some studies suggest omega-3 supplements may be effective, and some studies suggest benefits for schizophrenia and bipolar. For you to go, just take it.